My bangs are out of control. I just want a little, they gotta go. When I gave myself bangs the wrong way last month, I wanted my bangs to be this length. Like, I genuinely wanted my bangs to just be here. That's what I wanted. Guess what? My bangs are now at that length, and I hate it. I don't want my bangs to be this long. Like, I can't blink. I can't even drive in my car with the windows down. I can't see. I'm a problem. I'm a problem on the road. I'm an unsafe driver now. So, for the safety of everyone in Los Angeles, it's time to cut my bangs. The right way this time. Now, before we get into the fun and possibly the mistakes I will make, because I'm human and everyone makes mistakes, and I like making my mistakes public because they're relatable, and I want to show everyone that it's okay to make mistakes. We all do it, and especially beauty mistakes are fine, and we recover and we get over it, and at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what you look like, okay? So that's like the moral of my channel. Hey, if you're new here, that's the moral of my channel. Before we get into cutting my bangs, I would like to introduce you all to today's video sponsor. This video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a jewelry company that is focused on sustainability, fair prices, and good quality. Did you know it takes 20 tons of earth to create a single ring of gold? And cheap jewelry is rarely recycled, making it a huge waste. Ana Luisa is changing the jewelry industry, and they are using 100% recycled gold and sterling silver in all their products. I don't know about you all, but I hate jewelry shopping because everything is always so expensive, and that's because usually jewelry companies are charging you 10 times the cost of production. Ana Luisa has eliminated retail markup, keeping their prices fair and as accessible as possible. Not to mention, their products come from the same jewelers as Tiffany's and Louis Vuitton, so they're pretty confident in their quality. But if you are not, they do offer you a 1-year warranty on every product. I've selected 3 pieces of jewelry from Ana Luisa. The first piece of jewelry that I chose is this beautiful heart necklace. I was scrolling through their website, and this necklace just stuck out to me because not only do I love gold jewelry, but I love hearts. Anything around love, I love it. I love love. So hopefully this will bring me some good luck. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, that's it. I'm never taking this off. The prices of their jewelry ranges from $49 to high-end jewelry. So this piece was actually $59, which really isn't bad considering it's gonna last a very long time, and I won't take it off. So the next piece of jewelry that I got from Ana Luisa are actually these little earrings that are so cute. They have these little stars on them. Look at that. I feel like I don't have enough like little hoops, and like I said, I love gold, so this is gonna go with literally everything, including my new necklace. Hello. Oh my gosh, it just folds right onto it. That is so cute. This is honestly perfect. And the last piece of jewelry that I chose from Ana Luisa are bigger gold hoops. That's right. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love them. This looks so good together. Wow. First off, go Ana Luisa. Second, go 7th grade me. That was like, yeah, I want 3 holes in my ears. Works out. It really does. Thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for the jewelry and for setting new standards for the jewelry industry. If you all want your own jewelry from Ana Luisa, make sure to use the links down below, and you can also use my code HANNAHF10 for 10% off your order. Now let's get to cutting my hair. Woo! Wait, I might have to go to the bathroom. Here we are in my bathroom. We're here to get to work. We're gonna do this thing, and we're gonna do it right. Now, this is where I went wrong last time. Last time, I tried to do all the research. Then, I realized that it was not a good idea to cut my hair while it's straight, because I do have curly hair. How curly my hair is, I regularly forget. I don't know why, but I forget sometimes what my hair looks like. I honestly think if there was no such thing as mirrors, I would have like no idea what I actually look like at all. If there was no such thing as like photos or mirrors or reflections, my vision of myself would be totally different. That's weird to think about. Anyways, so as you can tell, I do have some curly cues up here. I have some whoop-de-whoops. My hair is so weird. My hair does this like natural clumping thing. I don't know if anyone else's hair does this. Some of it is like a little slightly curled, like this one is slightly curled, but other pieces are like ringlets. Like, what's going on here? So, as I learned after the last time, it is in my best interest to cut my hair while it's curly, so I know what it looks like. Here's the thing, as soon as I cut something, I am gonna be like, ooh. Let's do it. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, there we go. I'm nervous. Hannah, you can do this. You can do this. Your hair's fallen out before and you recovered. You shaved your own head with your friends and it looked like you did it with some friends, and that's okay. And your hair grew back and now you cut yourself bangs and they were a little wrong. But it's fine because you can always try again. Okay, I think I can do this. We'll start with this little curly and we'll just go like this. Ooh, okay. Now this one's a little bit long. Okay, this one's also a little long. We're gonna cut that. Okay, I think we're doing great so far. This is also in my eyeball and I don't like that. And we're gonna cut this one and that's also there. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I can already see better. The moment I get hair in my eye. Oh no, there's hair in my eye. Oh my gosh, I got hair in my eye. I think we're doing pretty good. So far I've done a little bit of this. It looks kind of the same. I'll keep going. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's a little choppy. I don't know what to do about that. We'll just go like this. Yeah, that's good. Oh, that's a real long one. We're gonna cut that right there. Oh, that's okay. These can be a little longer. That's fine. We wanna cut this one? I mean, maybe a little bit. We'll cut half of it. Just like a little shorter. Do that. Yeah. I think we're doing pretty good. Oh man, this one's a little chunky. We'll do it to like my eyebrows. There's a lot of hair in my sink, but it doesn't look like a lot of hair left to my face. Hair's in my eye. The whole chunk of hair is in my eyeball. I know they tell you not to pull on your eyeball, but like sometimes you just gotta pull on it, you know? Yeah. Here's the thing. What bothers me the most is that my hair will not be the same length the way I'm cutting my bangs right now. Just that knowledge really hinders me because I know it doesn't actually matter because my hair is gonna stay curly. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm fine. Ooh. Oh, that was a good one. Yes. Okay. This hair is cute. I think I'm gonna keep that there. Yes. I think it looks pretty good. Are we missing any? I can't tell how this looks. I think it looks the same. I kind of think I need more like short side pieces, you know? It should go beep and then beep, 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 beep. Do you think so? No? Okay, I won't. How does this look? How does this look? I can't tell. I feel like it kind of looks the same. But I know it doesn't because I know it was more in my eyes. I need an outside point of view. I think I need a roommate. Let's get one. Hey, Logan. Why are you smirking? What's wrong with it? I just went like this.
On this side and this side.
Do you want to cut my hair? Do you want to do it? Yeah, I was going like this, and then I was going like this a little bit. Ah! Are you cutting the shorter side? You're cutting the side that's shorter.
No, I have to start there.
Oh. Hey, Albert! Albert! Logan's helping me cut my bangs. Can you do some?
Yes, I don't know what to do. Oh, do you think this side is shorter than this one? Okay, I see it, yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna... Hold on.
He's going in straight.
Yeah, I have to breathe, hold on.
Lift it up, go ahead.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Okay, hold on. I can make it even. Okay, I think it's more even now.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Oh
Yes!
gosh.
It looks good.
Good job! Is the middle too long now?
I think it looks good though. Can you imagine if I just cut too much? That's a
Should
lot.
get like...
I can't say it hasn't happened before. Thanks, guys!
You are welcome.
Wow, that was so nice. Well, in the end, I think we did a wonderful job. If you guys made it this far in the video and think I did a great job, then thank you for your support. If you think we did a bad job, also thank you. I feel cute. I feel cute though. Like I think everything was really good. And an extra shout out to Anna Louisa. Thank you so much again for sponsoring this video. If you guys want your own jewelry, if you want to match me, you want to be little heart necklace buddies, use the links down below and use my code HannahF10 for 10% off your purchase. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye! She bangs, she bang. Oh baby, yeah, she moves, she moves. I go crazy cause she looks like a flower, but she stings like a bee. Like every girl in his story. I actually don't know if any of that are the lyrics. I have no idea. Check out my SoundCloud.